A few hours of rain and infrastructure in our cities begins to fall apart. No surprise then that Millennium City, Gurgaon near Delhi has come to a grinding halt yet again. The roads are choked. The police have advised commuters to avoid National Highway 8. In fact, Delhiites have been advised to stay away from Gurgaon altogether. Most schools in Gurgaon are closed for 2 days. Traffic is backed up over long stretches of several kilometers. People struggling to get to work. Many turned back and decided to return home, finding it impossible to navigate their way through bumper-to-bumper traffic. And it does look like a repeat of the nightmare the residents of the city had to deal with just yesterday, with the snarl-ups lasting at least 4 to 5 hours. Some even decided to abandon their cars and walk home, even if it meant covering a distance of 3 to 4 kilometers on foot. For more on that, let's now go across to my colleague Ishadrita, who now joins us from Gurgaon. Ishadrita, people were hoping this morning that things wouldn't be as bad as they were yesterday, but it looks like that hope has been dashed. Just describe for our viewers the scenes around you.
Well, right now, Neha, thankfully, though, traffic is beginning to ease up a little bit, even though it is moving extremely slow. So, if you can see behind me, this entire stretch, in fact, this is in the Rajiv Chowk area of Gurgaon. And that entire stretch is completely chock-a-block with traffic. However, the good thing is that the traffic has finally started moving. So that's a welcome sign for the people in Gurgaon. We are also hearing that the Honda Chowk, which was the worst affected, has also started clearing up a little bit. However, what people are really saying, what people are angry about is the fact that this problem has really been persisting since last night. As you said, there were people who have been stuck in a traffic jam since last night and have only managed to reach home today. So that's how bad the situation. We've been seeing people tweet, we've been seeing people post on Facebook, and that's how the situation was. Thankfully, though, as the Gurgaon police had promised that traffic will start easing by noon, traffic has started easing, and hopefully, as the day continues and the weather gods being kind to the people of Gurgaon and there's no waterlogging ahead, hopefully the traffic is going to get better as the hours continue. Back to you.